So Dad is making rum punch. I'm filming, Dad.
I get the picture.
Okay.
Okay, so we got 100 of them.
Okay.
Then we're gonna need 100 of orange juice. So we may have to open up the other container.
Okay.
And make 200 out of it. Oh, I made 200.
Oh, fantastic. Okay. See, people, this is good for math.
Huh?
I said, see, people, this is good for mathematics. Yep. Okay, got it.
Okay. Then we want some bitter.
Yes. Angostura bitters rather than bitter beer.
This is Angostura. Angostura aromatic bitters.
Yep. Got it.
Okay. Now, what? It's different.
3 splashes?
3 splashes. And that goes in here. Okay, now the grenadine plus the orange juice was 200 milliliters, and needs 200 milliliters of this. And this may not be enough, so I'll have to pull from there.
Okay.
200 milliliters. Yeah, we're a little short. No. Okay. Bring it up to 200.
Okay, and that is sweet and sour mix. Okay,
Okay.
got it.
Then, pour this in here. Why 200? Because it's something you can control. Then, 200 of what? Rum! I might have given it a little extra.
Okay,
Rum.
of course.
Bacardi.
Yes, sir.
And the remainder is water.
Oh, okay.
And here we end up with
Ooh, a very full rum punch.
and just a little bit too much extra water, but we don't want water.
Okay.
Not if what we're after is rum punch.
Yep. Perfect.
Then
Shake.
always make sure to shake it, because all of the pieces in there want to separate. So, and there you are. And if you want a swig, have a swig.
Perfect. Thank you, Dadlet.
Do you want a swig?
Not right now.
Huh?
Later. Maybe later.
Maybe later. Okay, so, and that cleans this up because the last thing in here was water.
Perfect.
So that's taken care of. This is empty so it can go. This is all set to be. That, oh yeah. Wait.